So what are the products that you have to have, that you have to try? All right, next product is gonna be the product that you may want to avoid. Okay, so let's start off with my favorite product in the line. I'll give you that right now. It has the teeth for it, but it may not be the best. I don't think that you need to buy this one unless you really want to support Armour Detail Supply. This type of cleaner, so this is the ready to use. Before you spend a dime on Armour Detail Supply, there's a few things that you need to know. Some of their products are fantastic, but others, well, you might regret buying them. I've tested them all, so let's break it down. So throughout this video, there's gonna be 5 products that you absolutely have to try, and there's gonna be one that you want to avoid. So stay tuned, watch the video from beginning to end. That's really helpful for the channel. So let's jump right into it. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. So I have been playing with those products, testing them on different cars for around 8 months now. I have contacted Bradley back in May last year. They sent the product free of charge. My only condition, that I could give a real and no BS feedback. By the way, I've spoke to them only once. I don't consult them for making content. This is not a sponsored video of any kind. This is just me telling you how the product works. The MO of this channel is the no BS and just facts content. So this is what you get today, whether you like it or not. I have mentioned their products many times on many different type of videos, but have one good review here and what not so good and unexpected video right there. But if there's one brand that I can recommend without blinking an eye, that you can buy pretty much the whole lineup, that's Armour Detail Supply. These products are that good, guys. But for some very specific reason, you might not want to reach for all of them. The owners, Bradley and DJ, each run their own detail shop in different states. With a ton of experience between them, they really know what premium products should look like and how they should perform. It's actually a pretty young brand. They started in late 2022 and they did not have that many products, according to what DJ told me. So they have been doing really good. They have gained some real traction. Obviously, this brand is focusing on premium products. They're focusing on high quality raw ingredients, ease of use, and rigorous R&D and product testing. Generally speaking, their products are fairly well priced for what you get, but keep in mind, these products are a little bit more expensive than the typical store-bought products. The real value here is when you get the gallon size. Cannot beat that price. But what I recommend always to you guys is to grab the 16 ounces, use this as a trial size, get the bottle, get the label, get the sprayer, and then if you like it enough, you can always go ahead and buy the gallon afterwards. So Armour Detail Supply is made in the US. They have some really nice bottle, as you can see, really nice packaging. Great logo. I like the instructions are very thorough. Quality sprayer that comes with it. I really appreciate those type of detail. No leaks, they work like a charm. They look pretty good on your shelf as well. And as far as I know, Armour Detail Supply have excellent customer service. Their products are widely available worldwide. They're widely available online. So I'll have the links down below for you guys to check it out. You can always use the code Dogma at checkout to save you a little bit of cash. Okay, so let's start off with my favorite product in the line. I'll give you that right now. So here it is. That's Amplify. That's a drying aid that you can use after a wash. That's how I use it. Or it's a quick detailer. So when your car is slightly wet or you blew most of the water with a blower, I like to use this with my favorite drying towel. I have been through the whole bottle quite fast. I really enjoy this one. There's no streaks when using these products. That's very important. A lot of ceramic products out there or ceramic spray are gonna leave you with some streaking, or you're gonna have to fight with many different towels. This one is just working like a charm. The scent of this is out of this world. If you like to use a drying aid at any moment, that's the one I reach for. And I've tried many of those drying aid from across different type of brands this year. And I'll always come back to this one. That's the best in my opinion. It's above B&B Slipstream or Extreme Solution Topper or whatever they call it nowadays, Adams Slick and Slide. In any case, if you're looking for a drying aid, I highly recommend this one. I've been talking about it for a long time now. I can't pinpoint the scent of this product, but that's quite something. So needless to say, the best smelling product in the industry, in my opinion, from what I've been trying, guys, there's a million of brands out there, but from the brands that I've been showcasing or have been trying on this channel, Armour Detail Supply is the best scented product. They have the best fragrance in general across their line. Fragrance and scent is subjective, but in my opinion, these scents are the best. All right, let's move to the next product. So I'm gonna review those products in no particular order. The best or the worst are gonna come at a random time. I have them laid on my counter. I'll go one by one and tell you what I think about it. And those that you want to avoid are going to be included in here. Armour Detail Supply Tire Plus. As you can see, that's the one that is with the clear bottle, the yellow. It comes with a bubblegum type of scent. That's the tire shine that I like to use. I always want to reach for this one during the summer. This is a water-based tire dressing or tire shine. If you're looking for a very dark and matte tire shine, that's not that one. This one is for the semi-gloss, not too shiny, not too dry look. That's the perfect look in my opinion, and I like to use it on my Michelin PS4S. It really feels the velour sidewall of the tire really good. I have a video on tire shine. I'll link it right here for you, so go check it out. But the finish of this product is really good, really sharp, really crisp looking tires with this product. I highly recommend it, and for me it feels different than most tire shine out there. By the way, hit the subscribe button if you want the facts, if you want a no BS type of reviews. Join this channel, click on the subscribe button. I have some super good content coming for the spring, so subscribe and let's get back into the video. Next up is the Armour Detail Supply Iron. So that's the iron remover. That's a product you want to reach for to remove contamination on the side of the car, on the back, whatever comes out of your braking system is gonna have to be removed at some point, or before a polishing job, or during decontamination maintenance, a routine that you do a couple times a year. You want to use an iron remover. And this one, contrary to the popular belief, I feel like it smells horrendous, just like their wheel cleaner. They had some perfume in there, some fragrance to hide the scent, but in my opinion, it just smells as bad as the other ones. But nonetheless, I can't really give you more thoughts on this. What I found is that the gallon size is good value when you're shopping for an iron remover. But other than that, that's just an iron remover like others. It seems to work pretty good. It seems to be a good iron remover. If you have a current good iron remover in your lineup, I don't think that you need to buy this one unless you really want to support Armour Detail Supply. My friend, next product is their Rinseless wash. That's Armour Detail Supply Hero. A really nice rinseless. It's in my top 3, obviously, of rinseless wash that I've tried, along with Clean by Pan, Rinseless, and DIY Detail Rinseless. This is super smooth wipe off, no streaks, very well lubricated, smells really good. The user experience is great in general, can't complain. Very nice product. I don't personally maintain my car with a rinseless wash, but when I need it to prep any other cars, I always like to use a rinseless for efficiency, and this one is no different. Works really well as well on glass. Also can be used to wipe off your interior. Next up, let's talk about their wheel cleaner. So don't pay too much attention to that sprayer. I changed that sprayer myself. So this wheel cleaner has an iron remover built into it. I don't think the smell is really that great. I've seen some comments, people saying that it smells better than others, but in my opinion, it smells just as bad, like I mentioned with the iron product. And as far as cleaning power efficiency, that's a really nice product. I've done a video testing where I tested 5 different wheel cleaner, and this one came second place. But what surpassed it was the Gion Redefined Iron Wheel Cleaner. So if I were to grab an iron remover type of wheel cleaner, I would go with Gion. But if you want to support ADS, that's a really good product to clean and maintain your wheels. But if you have those really trash wheels that are never clean, it has the teeth for it, but it may not be the best. That's just my opinion. Next up for Armour Detail Supply, that's gonna be the panel prep. So this is a very unique scented product. It smells like mint. I've never seen that before. Such a great smelling panel prep. That's very rare. Well, you don't really need to buy this product unless you buy one of their ceramic coatings, unless you really want to support the brand. You want a general paint prep, you can always grab a gallon of it. Other than that, very good. Seems like a good paint prep. Let's move to the most important product in the lineup, in my opinion, when it comes to car detailing, is your car shampoo. So that's Shampoo Plus by Armour Detail Supply. So I have tested this product in one of my soap tests. It did not finish in the top 2, but nonetheless, the product that wins my tests are not always my preferred product that I like to use on a daily basis. But when it comes to car soap, guys, for cleaning my own car and enjoying my car wash experience in general, I always like to reach for Armour Detail Supply Shampoo Plus. This one is probably in my top 3, easily in my top 3 product. The scent of this is similar to a Kool-Aid scent. It's super enjoyable. The lubricity and the slickness of the soap against the paint is crazy good. It foams well, great suds in the bucket. The only thing that I like it to be improved is the concentration. So on this label, they mentioned to use 1 or 2 ounces in your bucket. I found out in my testing that it works better with 2 ounces, at least 2 ounces in your 5-gallon bucket. If you use a tiny bucket, maybe 1 ounce can work. If you're looking to try a new car soap, I highly recommend that you try this one. This is easily in my top 2 or 3 when it comes to car soap, and I'm the soap junkie here, so you can trust me on that. All right, product number 8, actually a product that you may want to avoid. So I did a video comparing Clean by Pan ceramic spray sealant against the version of ADS, thinking that this product was gonna be a good benchmark, that was gonna last. So I'll leave the video right here for you guys to go check it out if you're interested. But in general, guys, I couldn't care less about spray sealant. I really don't have a place for them, other than sometimes when you're in a pinch, you want to protect a specific car with something and you don't have time, you don't have budget for a full-blown ceramic coating. I may grab 1 or 2 there, but for my personal maintenance, I like to use real hard ceramic coating. But that's just a shame because this product smells really good. I think that's the best smelling product across the line. Smells like Sour Patches or really nice fruit scent. Easy to apply, no streaking, good user experience, but it seems like it didn't last. For me, it has the durability of Amplify. So if I had to choose this one or Amplify, I would go with Amplify. Slightly slicker and cheaper as well. I could be wrong on that, but I've tested this product after that video. I've tested it on 2 other cars and on my personal car. I've also reached out to some of my colleagues and they all mentioned that they had similar results. I know that I have made a couple new versions. I don't know if I have the latest version of Armour Supply ceramic spray sealant, but nonetheless, guys, I'll leave you with that. I'll leave you with that information. But for me, this is a no-no. Gonna keep in mind that brands are not gonna have the best products for each category at once. They have to make a few versions and get feedback from different parts of the country and really find a good balance between durability and ease of use with those type of products. So next up is Armour Supply Decon Soap. This is a pH 12. I looked up the SDS. They have high quality surfactant, high quality ingredients. Actually, an actual version of sodium, I'll put it here. But after speaking with a chemist, I know, and after looking it up, that's a version of sodium hydroxide that is much more safe. Guys, this product seems to be working well. I'll have a video comparing it as a pre-wash if that's your jam, coming out really soon. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Next up is their waterless wash that's called Adapt. Really nice product again, across the whole line, guys. I mentioned it before. I would not be worried if I would tell you to buy the whole line without blinking an eye. This is one of the best brands out there for sure. So Adapt is a waterless wash, SiO2 base, super nice to use. No real streak, but you have to be more careful because this is more concentrated. But do you really need a waterless wash in your lineup? That's one question that you have to ask yourself. But for me, I like to keep this one for bird poo. Any emergency situation, I like to grab this one with a high quality plush microfiber towel. Some people use waterless wash to clean off their door jamb. In the summer, I would do that. Sometimes I'll use a waterless wash for the door jamb, but I really like to pressure wash and clean really well my door jamb in any case. But to each their own, guys. For me, a waterless wash has never been a product that I have to have, but this one smells really good, no problem with it. If I had to pick one waterless wash on the market, certainly I could pick this one from Armour Supply. Really good product. The scent of this product, again, across the whole line, the scent of this is out of this world. Don't forget that you get a really nice sprayer that you can always reuse on other bottles afterwards. You want to keep this because when you pay for that bottle, you also pay for that high quality sprayer. All right, next up, one of my favorite category of product is an interior detailer for the inside of the car, right? To clean off the leather, the grease on the seat, on the armrest, dust off your dash, your door panels, the shoe marks, all that good stuff that you want to maintain. This product also able to clean your windows and your infotainment screen. So most cars today have touchscreen that's going to be filled up with fingerprints that you want to remove on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. In my opinion, if you're a detailing enthusiast, you have to maintain or keep up with your interior. And for this, I really want to use a high quality product that is not made to restore my interior like an APC or dedicated strong interior cleaner. So for this, I like to use product like Gion Interior Detailer. That was my favorite before I ended up using Armour Detail Supply Pilot. So I have a full video covering this product. You can find it right here. That's the one good or one positive review video dedicated that I made for this product. So that's Pilot. The scent is out of this world again. That's not gonna lay around for too long in your car, but while using it, it's very enjoyable. This product won't add grease or silicone to your plastic, to your leather. That won't change the OEM appearance. So this product is streak-free, residue-free. It cleans the infotainment, as I mentioned, and the brand claims that it has UV blocker properties, anti-static properties, and it has powerful true cleanliness from their ingredient called BZK. So take it for what it is, but guys, that's my favorite interior cleaner, interior detailer, along with the Gion Interior Detailer. Both products really top notch. I'd say that maybe Pilot has the edge on it. So I forgot to talk about tire cleaner from ADS. A really nice tire cleaner, but do you really need it? When it comes to cleaning cars, guys, maintaining cars, you gotta assess the car that you're working on. Are you working on your own car? Are you working on cars that never gets clean? So that's a really nice product. I like the sprayer. As you spray this, it'll foam a little bit with this type of sprayer. It's really nice to use, pulls off the brown from the tire. So if you get the 16 ounce, that's gonna be pre-diluted for you at 3:1. If you buy the gallon size, that's gonna be full strength. Maybe I'm wrong, that might be 2:1 or 3:1, one of those two. So at 2 to 3:1, that's good for maintenance of your car. And for this, I probably wanna reach for something like an APC or maybe even regular soap. If you clean your car on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, you don't really need that strong of a cleaner. And I tested this one side by side with Adams, and I found out that you really need to use it straight for caked up tires. So some of you guys are not gonna like this comment, but if you have to detail cars that never gets clean, you're gonna have to use that straight. And then if you wanna support ADS, go ahead, grab this. Again, really good product overall. Really enjoy this. One of the best for sure that I've tried this year. But for me, Adams Wheel and Tire is still at the top. So what are the products that you have to have, that you have to try? What are the 5 products that you need to use to have the Armour Detail Supply experience? In my opinion, guys, let's do it. That's gonna be Hero, the rinseless wash. Then you'll want to use and buy the Armour Detail Supply Shampoo Plus. Third product, obviously, as I mentioned, my favorite is Armour Detail Supply Amplify. 1 or 2 weeks of protection and won't change your ceramic coating behavior or performance. Fourth product that you want to absolutely have to try if you are a semi-gloss look type of person for your tires, highly recommend this one. And the fifth product that you absolutely have to buy is Armour Detail Supply Pilot, their interior detailer. Fantastic product overall. So have you tried Armour Detail Supply? Leave a comment below. Let me know your favorite product when it comes to ADS. And now that you know the best product at ADS, you'll want to know the 5 best product of CarPro products right here.